Standards identified in these activities have been adopted from the content standards of the national organization for each discipline. More information on this can be found in the Technology as Facilitator of Quality Education model. The students in this 4th grade class are learning about the regions of the United States. They work in groups to research and create a PowerPoint presentation on specific states. Using an LCD projector and the classroom computer, the teacher helps the students learn the basic features of Microsoft PowerPoint. This activity integrates Technology Performance Indicator number 5 for grades 3 through 5, which requires that students use technology tools for collaborative writing and communication activities to create knowledge products for audiences inside and outside the classroom.
One other thing we'd like to do to this then is change our color. Does anyone remember what we need to do? Laura, do you remember what we need to do to change the color?
Go to Format.
Go to Format.
I think Background.
Background. Now what do I need to do?
And click on the little arrow that's pointing down. Then go to More Colors.
Now what color would you like?
A blue.
A blue. How about, let's see, that blue?
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yep.
Right there. And we want to apply. What happens if I click Apply to All? Jamie?
The slide will be all blue.
Okay, this slide will be all blue, but what happens to the rest of my slides?
They'll all be blue.
The whole slideshow will turn blue, won't it? And we don't want that to happen. The background. Do you remember what to go into?
Yeah. More colors.
Go into more colors. Sometimes if you use a lighter color in your background, your words will show up better, unless you want to change the color of your words.
Got it. That one.
Good. What would happen if you clicked Apply to All?
All the slides.
Every slide would be lime green, wouldn't it?
The students use a variety of sources, including the internet, encyclopedias, textbooks, and state books, to research and gather information about their state. This activity integrates English Language Arts Standard number 7, which requires that students gather, evaluate, and synthesize data from a variety of sources to communicate their discoveries in ways that suit their purpose and audience.
I've given you some of the information on the state of Missouri. I want you to go through and see if you can find one more thing in each area. One more thing. So I want you to find one more large city and find one more state symbol, one more famous person. Now the climate, obviously you can't find another climate, so don't worry about that. But try to find another famous person. Lloyd, help Anthony. Find another famous person and try to find another large city and maybe another interesting fact. That would be an easy one to find. Okay, and work together. Talk to your partners and help each other.
The students transfer the information they have found into PowerPoint presentations. They also have to incorporate attractive backgrounds, creative effects, and coordinating sounds. This activity integrates English Language Arts Standard number 8, which requires that students use a variety of technological and information resources to gather and synthesize information and to create and communicate knowledge.
So Lloyd is in capitals, Anthony's doing natural resources, Lloyd, Anthony, and then don't forget on this, you have, someone has to do a map or drawing of the state.
I'll do that.
Okay, it needs to be in one of these slides, and then you have a beginning and ending slide, so one of you need to do one and one do the other. Okay? This is just your information. This is actually what slides you have to have. Okay?
This is the answers.
This is all the answers. This is all the information. I found it all. That's what we're doing today. Right. That's what we're doing. This, and then this is what we're going to use on this.
The students present their PowerPoint projects using an LCD projector. This activity integrates English Language Arts Standard number 6, which requires that students apply knowledge of language structure, language conventions, and media techniques to create print and non-print texts.
Largest cities. Largest cities: Baltimore, Silver Spring, Columbia, Dunkirk, Bethesda, Wheaton, Glenmont, Dawson, Rockville. Natural resources.